It's like lipstick on a frog. Now here's one. This small project. My carburetor is leaking right there from the tower belt. I've got a replacement gasket for that. We'll go ahead and take care of that right now. I'll get this distributor cap out of the way so I can get to these 4 bolts. That upper left bolt lifts this guy right off. And it should just come apart. There we go. Looking at it more closely, there's the new one. Obviously there's the old one. There was a little tear right down in here. Okay, the new gasket is in place. Let's start it up and see if it leaks.